Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. Today I am going to explain about factorization. What is factorization? Factorization is the process of writing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more other algebraic expressions. So here we have a question: factorize each of the following: 4xy minus 12xyz. We have to factorize this question. For factorization, we have to take the common terms outside. So here the integers are 4 and 12. 4 and 12 is in, this both are getting in which multiplication table? It is getting in table 2, table 4, like that. So which is the biggest table, that one we have to take it outside. Means 4 and 12, it is, these both are in table 4. So that 4 we can take outside. And the letters here xy, here xyz. So here x is present in both the terms, like y is also present in both the terms. So we can take x and y outside. And we are going to put bracket. When I am taking 4xy, from the first term there is nothing balance. So we can keep 1 minus 4 stable where 12, means 4 multiply what number will be 12. 4 3s are 12, so 3. xy already we took outside, so z is balance. So we can keep that z. So the answer is 4xy into 1 minus 3z. Next, 3a square b plus 6ab square plus 3abc square. Here the integers are 3, 6, again 3. 3, 6, 3 commonly getting in table 3. So we can take 3 outside. Here a square, a and a. So common term is a. Here we have b, b square, b. So commonly b will be present in all the three terms. So take b, and c is here only in the third term. Other two terms are not having c. So we cannot take c outside. So 3ab I took outside and start bracket. So when I am taking 3ab from 3a square b, what is balance? Here one a is balance. So we can keep that a. Then 3 is table where 6. 3 2s are 6. So keep 2. A already we took outside. From b square, 1b we took outside. So one more b is left. So put that b plus 3ab already we took outside. C square is balance. So can put that c square. So the answer is 3ab into a plus 2b plus c square. Now question number C. 3bc minus bd plus 6ac minus 2ad. Like before, we have to take the common term outside. But presently from these all four terms there is nothing common. So we have to arrange, or we have to group the terms like something we have to get common outside. So 3bc minus bd. From these two terms, I am putting in a bracket. From these two terms, b is the common thing. So we can take b outside. So whenever we are taking b outside, inside we will get 3c from the first term and d from the second term, plus 6ac minus 2ad. 6 and 2 are there in table 2. So we can take table 2 outside. A here, a also here. So we can take a, start the bracket. When we are taking 2a outside, what will be balance from this term? Means 2 stable where 6. That will be 2 3s are 6. So 3 and c is balanced. So 3c minus, when we are taking 2a outside, d is balanced here. So here d. Now from these two terms, 3c minus d is the common thing. So we can take 3c minus d outside. When we are taking 3c minus d from this term, b is balanced here. So we can write that b plus 2a. Next, question number D. 3p square plus 6pq minus 4pr minus 8qr. Like before, we can group the terms. I am grouping the first two terms. From this, 3 and 6 are there in table 3. So 3 take outside. P square and p, we can take p common, bracket. Balance you will get p here plus 3 2s are 6. So 2q. Then negative 4pr, negative 8qr. Negative, the sign of 4pr is negative, 8qr is negative. So negative is common here. 4 and 8 is in table 4. So 4 take outside. R is here in this term also. So we can take R outside. So when we are taking negative 4r outside, P is the balanced thing. So P, when we are taking negative commonly outside, so it will automatically become positive, plus 4 stable, 4 2s are 8. So 2 and q is also balanced. Now we have two terms. From these two terms, p plus 2q is the common one. So p plus 2q take outside. So inside you will get 3p minus, here when we are taking p plus 2q outside, 4r is the balanced one. So 4r. So this is the answer.